Same-day instant activation of TELUS Pure Fiber Internet is now available in some homes. Locate your white TELUS media panel. Open the panel door using the two tabs on the right side of the door. Look at the devices inside and determine your panel's configuration. Does it have a TELUS Wi-Fi hub like on the left, or a TELUS Network Access Hub and Boost Wi-Fi 6 like on the right? If it has a Network Access Hub and Boost Wi-Fi 6 like on the right, this video will guide you through the self-activation process. If it has a TELUS Wi-Fi hub like on the left, you will need to watch a different video guide. Look for the video titled Activating a Pre-installed TELUS Wi-Fi Hub in a Media Panel. The first step is to order your home service. Call 1-855-277-0619 to get exclusive rates on TELUS Internet. Once signed up, your internet will be activated within minutes or at a date and time of your choosing. Other services can be installed when the equipment arrives at your home. If there is no Boost Wi-Fi 6 pre-installed in your media panel, then TELUS will mail one to you. You'll need it before you can begin setup. Although your Boost Wi-Fi 6 may be pre-installed in your media panel, we recommend you move it to a central location for better Wi-Fi coverage in your home. To do this, start by unplugging the Boost power cable from the power bar. Then, disconnect the Ethernet cable from the Network Access Hub. Finally, undo the Velcro strap around the Boost Wi-Fi 6. Locate the power bar at the bottom of the media panel and turn off the power bar switch. Wait 10 seconds and turn the power bar switch back on. For an app-guided installation, download the TELUS Connect app. Then, log in with your TELUS credentials and select Set up a TELUS device. Next, find your home's central Wi-Fi jack. Look for it on the wall in the main living area. Once found, place the Boost Wi-Fi 6 near the Ethernet jack. Connect the Boost's Ethernet cable to the jack, ensuring the other side is still connected. Then find an electrical outlet nearby and plug in the power cable. The Boost will take 2 to 5 minutes to initialize. The light on the Boost will start solid white, then flash green, then flash purple. When the light is solid green, the Wi-Fi is ready. If the light does not turn green after 5 minutes, return to your TELUS media panel. Make sure the Ethernet cables inside are connected to the Network Access Hub. If there are many Ethernet cables, try connecting each one until the light on the Boost Wi-Fi 6 turns green. Use the default Wi-Fi name and password found on the base of the Boost Wi-Fi 6 to connect your devices. That's it. Now, you have the power of TELUS Pure Fiber Internet and Wi-Fi 6 right in your home. And, to get the most out of your home Wi-Fi, download the TELUS Connect app. Use the app to change your Wi-Fi name and password, share your Wi-Fi name and password, configure your home settings, see what devices are connected, and pause and schedule Wi-Fi for individual devices.